Okay, I'm gonna go out for a walk. I took a rest. Now I'm fully awake. But I'm gonna come back for 5:30 free dinner at the hotel. There's traffic light here, but they don't even turn on the traffic lights. Like maybe it's for nighttime? I don't know. I'm gonna follow this guy. Oh, so dangerous. These outdoor cookers. I mean, in Canada, we don't have the wok style. It's like, it's what do you call it? Most of them are flat. But that's like a wok style with a lot of BTU. But I'm not cooking. Who am I gonna cook for over here? I'm just by myself. This whole area, they're selling scooters. They're so cheap. 2,500 for like, I've seen like the basic ones, but I probably pay 4,000. Maybe I pay 5,000 for one, and get a battery. Or maybe I don't have to buy the battery. Maybe there's those battery exchange places. I've seen people do that. They just do the exchange for the battery. First day here, day one, I just arrived. Liking the city so far. I landed in scooter heaven. Scooters everywhere. Like stores. Crazy, crazy amount of scooters. I love watching chess. I'll come back later. Gotta see the city. It's day one. I gotta explore. More people there playing chess, and there's people playing cards. My kind of city. So just walking around a bit, a lot of people here speak Hakka. More than the other city I was just at. The problem I see is that there's a lot of old people here and not much young people. Like, what's gonna happen? China's gonna have an old age problem. There's gonna be so many old people that then it's gonna be like what Elon Musk said, population problem. Too many people getting old and not enough young people. Canadian geese. No, don't say it. So sad. They're selling it as pets. They're pets, okay? Everyone's speaking Hakka. I've never heard so much Hakka in one day. Crazy. It was a busy street. I am not going to do that again. Oh, those, what do you call it? Oh! I found a park. Or a pond? I don't know. Whatever. Go check it out. Like a couple streets already. I'm getting hungry. I think I might eat something before I go back to the hotel. China's gonna have more and more ghost cities because there's a lot of old people here. And I don't see anyone having any kids. Like there's no babies around. I haven't seen one baby yet. I mean, I could be in the wrong neighborhood because right now, the neighborhood I'm in right now, it's like an ancient town, ancient road. Yeah, that's where I am. Maybe that's why, where all the old people hang out. Maybe I'll go to something more modern buildings. Suburbs, you know, just like Toronto. You know, and most of the kids are in suburbs, not downtown. Heyuan. Not Heyuan, it's Heyuan. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I want to find an air-conditioned restaurant. That says, you gotta read it from right to left. Taiping Gusi. That's an ancient town. I'm in an ancient town. Oh, there's food. Okay, I'm gonna go eat. I'm starving. This is my first meal today. It's like 4:30 right now. I gotta go eat. Delicious. There's a lot of food, but I want air conditioning. All the food I can eat in China, I'm gonna go back to my burger place. Tasty Ting. Oh, so funny. Yeah. So much food to eat. I'm eating at Tasty Ting Chicken Burger. Two burgers, and then I was talking English to them, and they gave me free chicken wings and free fries. It was so funny. I wish I caught that on camera. But yeah, everyone's asking me questions now because they want to learn English. I said to one of them, yeah, I'll be your teacher. 加拿大嚟講英文㗎嘛。Yesterday I only ate peanuts. That was my fast. Today I'm eating a lot. So. I overate that one meal because they gave me an extra chicken wing and they gave me some French fries. Oh, they're so kind, those kids. See, there are kids that are living what do you call it? Heyuan. I'm so full. I was planning to eat at the hotel because they have like fried rice and noodles for dinner. But I overate. I'm not hungry. So I'm gonna save my stomach for tomorrow's breakfast. The breakfast tomorrow is all you can eat. I could buy a bicycle. It'd be a lot cheaper to ride around in a bicycle. Ask how much a bicycle costs? 450 Chinese dollars, which is like around $100 Canadian. So maybe I could just buy a bicycle ride around. I can't buy a bicycle. I can't bring bicycles on a train. I have to rely on my two legs. No bicycle for me. Oh, I'm so full. There's more food. Look. That's says Hakka, you know, whatever. Hakka food is just basically made by a Hakka person. I think. Oh, my ice cream. My ice cream. Now I know where to get it. But not right now because I'm way too full. See my favorite McDonald's. Oh my goodness. McDonald's is right there. And my ice cream is right here. I got tired walking, so I jumped on a random bus so I could sit down and enjoy the air conditioning. Oh, random bus, air conditioning. I got my laundry back. That was so fast. They washed my laundry. That was so fast. Okay, I took a shower. I'm so fresh and so clean. This hotel is so nice. I still have to try the breakfast buffet tomorrow, so I'm gonna wake up 7:30 in the morning because their buffet is only up to 2 hours. So I have to finish at 9:30. That means I have to probably get to the buffet around 8. Give myself 1 hour to eat. But I'm so full today. Overdone it with my fasting. But it's okay. I can fast another day. So if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, subscribe, make a post, make a comment, whatever. See you tomorrow.